Hello students. Now in this presentation we are going to discuss about binary subtraction using 2's complement method from chapter 1 number system and codes, subject digital techniques, 22320. So subtraction using 2's complement method, the rules are as shown in this slides. We are going to subtract a minus b. So here the very first thing you are going to do is convert the given number a if it is given in decimal into binary and b if it is given in decimal into binary. This is the first step. So these numbers, if given in binary, you are going to convert in given in decimal, convert into binary numbers. Then you are going to find out the length of the binaries of a and b. For example, the length of binary a is 6 digits, then length of binary b should be also of 6 digits. And if it is not there, then you are going to add zeros in the MSB bit position. After getting the binary number of both a and b, the second step you are going to do is you are going to find the 2's complement of b. If you remember, we have already studied 2's complement. 2's complement of a number can be found out by first step 1, convert the given binary into 1's complement form, that is replace 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, and after getting 1's complement, add binary 1 into the given 1's complement. Whatever result you get is the 2's complement of the given binary number. So calculate the 2's complement of b. This is very important to remember. B here is having a negative sign with it, therefore you are going to find the 2's complement of b only, not a. After getting 2's complement, add the binary of a and 2's complement of b. After addition, there will be two conditions you are going to check. The first condition is after addition, if carry is coming in the MSB bit, that means if carry is generated, that carry is called as end around carry, if you remember in the 1's complement method. So if carry is generated, you are going to discard the carry, means remove that carry. After removing that carry, whatever binary number is there, that binary number convert into decimal number and the given number is positive. So this is the condition if end around carry is generated. Now second condition, after addition, if end around carry is not generated. So that means whatever result you get, you are going to find the 2's complement of that number, again convert into 1's complement, add binary 1 and that will be the final result. Then convert that final result into decimal number and assign negative sign to the given resulted decimal number. So these are the rules of the subtraction using 2's complement method. It is very important from your exam point of view. You will be able to understand it very perfectly by the example which was solved in the next slide. So we'll start with the example 1. So first example is 1011 is the first number minus 0111 is the second number. So 0111 is having minus sign. So now that means the second number is subtracted from the first. So here will start a is equal to 1011 and b is equal to 0111. Now what you are going to do is, second step is find the 2's complement of b. So I'll first here find the 1's complement of b. So that is 1000. and 2's complement of b is 1 0 0 0 plus 1. So after addition you get the result 1 0 0 1. So if you will check here, 2's complement of b is 1 0 0 1. Now next step is to add a and the 2's complement of b. So a is 1 0 1 1 as it is, but 2's complement of b is 1 0 0 1. You are going to add this. So when you are going to add, you are going to apply binary addition rules. After addition, now here you can see end around carry is generated, which has been highlighted by yellow color. So as end around carry is generated, you are going to discard it, means remove it. You are not going to do anything on that, just remove it. After discarding ESE, the result you are having is 0 1 0 0. It is positive and no need to convert into 2's complement form. So directly as it is you are going to write, and this is the final answer of the subtraction. I hope you have understood this. Again we'll solve one more problem so that it will be very clear for you. Now consider this example here. Decimal number 15 minus decimal number 19. We are going to subtract 19 from 15. So step 1, convert decimal numbers into binary. So here 15 binary is 1 1 1 and 1. So only 4 bits are here, and the binary of b 19 is 1 0 0 1 1. So here 5 bits are there. B is 5 bits, A is 4 bits. So I have added 1 0, which is highlighted here in blue color in the MSB bit position, so that both will have same number of digits. So both have become 6 bits now. After this, find 1's complement of B. So you get 0 1 1 0 0, and then add binary 1 to find the 2's complement of B. So the 2's complement of B addition is shown here, and the final answer is 0 1 1 0 1. After getting 2's complement of B, you are going to add A and 2's complement of B as shown here. So upper row is A, then is B, and after addition whatever carry is generated, all are highlighted in the blue color row. And after addition you can see here no end around carry is generated. So it is 1 2 5 bits. 5 bit is of A, B is also of 5 bits, and the result is also of 5 bits. 6th bit is not generated, so end around carry is not generated. So if end around carry is not generated, the answer is negative. So whatever you are getting is negative. So next step you are going to do is find the 2's complement of the given number. So it is shown here, the 2's complement of the given number, and convert then into decimal number. So that is 4. So after converting the decimal number, you are going to add sign minus to it. Sorry, here plus sign is shown. So then after converting it to decimal number, you are going to add minus sign to it, and this is the final answer. And this is the way to convert, to subtract the numbers using 2's complement method. I hope you all have understood this method very well. Now these are the few problems which you are supposed to solve using 2's complement method as an assignment. Thank you.